Dear brothers, dear friends, let me ask you a very honest question. When you were younger, 20, 25 years old, how many times could you go in one night? Twice? 3 times? Maybe even 4? And in the morning, you were still standing strong, ready like nothing even happened? Yeah, we all remember those years. But today, after just one round, it's like your body says, "All right, boss, that's it for tonight. Curtains closed." And no matter how much you try, the erection just doesn't come back. Does that sound familiar? If it does, understand this. You are not alone, not even close. But before I go any further, I need to tell you something very important. If you're watching this video in secret, if you waited until everyone was asleep to open your phone, my brothers, you have nothing to be ashamed of. You are not broken. You are not less of a man. What you're experiencing is biology, not weakness. And today, we're going to talk about it clearly, openly, like men who respect each other. My name is Dr. Jason Mitchell. I've been a urologist for over 25 years. I've worked in cities like Chicago and Atlanta, helping men in their 40s, 50s, 60s, even 70s, who believed their intimate life was over. And I can tell you today, with full confidence, that is simply not true. The body can improve. Biology can be influenced. But first, you need to understand what's really happening inside. Today, I'm going to explain why your body reacts this way after orgasm, the 5 major mistakes men make that make things worse, and a practical action plan you can start using tonight. Stay with me until the end, because what I'll share about the perineal pressure technique is something you won't hear in many places, and it can truly change things. Before we continue, if this video helps you, support it. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I want to see you. Now, let's get serious. What you're experiencing has a medical name: the refractory period. It's the recovery window after orgasm, the moment your body basically says, "Not yet, man." During this phase, getting another erection is either difficult or impossible. For women, this period can be very short. For men, it changes drastically with age. At 18 or 20, it might take minutes or even seconds. But at 40, 50, or beyond, it can take 30 minutes, an hour, sometimes even a full day. And that's where many men panic. They think, "I'm getting old, it's over." No. A longer recovery time does not mean your intimate life is over. It simply means your physiology has changed. And once you understand your body, you can work with it and improve it. Now let's talk about the biology. After orgasm, your hormones go through a roller coaster. Prolactin rises, signals satisfaction. Dopamine drops. Desire temporarily disappears. Oxytocin rises, promotes bonding, but reduces raw sexual drive. Testosterone matters. Higher levels equals faster recovery. This is chemistry, not lack of desire, not lack of love. But here's the good news. This chemistry can be influenced. Now, The 5 mistakes that secretly make your recovery worse. Mistake 1. Chasing round 2 instead of extending round 1. The fastest way to recover is not rushing into round 2. It's making the first round last longer. There's a technique I've taught for years: perineal pressure. The perineum is the area between the scrotum and the anus. If you apply firm pressure there with 2 fingers just before the point of no return, you can block ejaculation. Done correctly, this leads to what's called a dry orgasm. You feel the pleasure, you feel the contractions, but no ejaculation. And your erection often stays firm in. Biologically, this avoids the full hormonal crash. Yes, it takes practice. No, you won't master it on day 1. But men who learn it often describe it as a completely new level of control and intimacy. Mistake 2. Heavy meals, alcohol, and smoking. After a heavy dinner, your blood goes to digestion, not your reproductive system. Add alcohol, which lowers testosterone and restricts blood vessels. Add smoking, which damages circulation. And you've created the perfect storm for weak performance. Solution: eat lighter before intimacy. Limit alcohol. Quit smoking. One of the fastest ways to improve performance. Mistake 3. Ignoring oxygen and circulation. Your body needs oxygen-rich blood to recover. Deep breathing is one of the simplest tools. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Repeat for 1-2 minutes. Add hydration and gentle stimulation, and you boost recovery significantly. Mistake 4. Neglecting fitness, weight, and sleep. Think of your body like an athlete. Cardio improves blood flow. Strength training boosts testosterone. Belly fat converts testosterone into estrogen. Sleep is where testosterone is produced. Sleep 7-8 hours. Move your body regularly. Eat foods that support blood flow. Mistake 5. Ignoring psychology and passion. Not everything is physical. Stress, routine, emotional disconnect all affect performance. Desire needs: novelty, emotional connection, anticipation. Talk to your partner. Create moments outside the bedroom. Reconnect. Sometimes, the strongest trigger for desire isn't biology, it's anticipation. Your action plan: extend the first round. Avoid alcohol, smoking, and heavy meals. Use breathing and hydration. Improve fitness and sleep. Reignite emotional connection. Medical options also exist, but always consult a doctor. Never self-medicate. Final message: your value as a man is not measured by how many rounds you can go. It's measured by your presence, your connection, your energy. A man who is attentive, present, and connected is far more powerful than one who is disconnected but physically repetitive. Real masculinity is not just performance, it's intimacy. If your condition has lasted months or years, please see a doctor. It could be cardiovascular, hormonal, or neurological, and treatable. Your challenge tonight. Focus on improving, not repeating. Start small. Better breathing. Better sleep. Better connection. Give it a few weeks. You'll be surprised how your body responds. Now tell me in the comments, which habit are you starting first? And if this helped you, like, share, and subscribe. I'm Dr. Jason Mitchell. Stay strong, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson.